In this video, we will measure the phase noise of two of our oscillators. In our 1000 MHz oscillator lineup, there are four models with phase noise ranging from -136 to -150 dB per hertz. We will compare only two models, the most affordable one, RCLN1000C, and the most advanced one, RCLN1000D222. This is what the internal design of each of them looks like. All measurements will be performed using the PN2060C. First, we will measure the phase noise of the RCLN1000C. A good and high-quality oscillator is essential for clocking ADCs, DACs, DDS systems, local oscillators and receivers, and other systems. One of the key parameters is spectral purity and phase noise. Phase noise is especially important for digital modulation schemes such as IQ and QAM. The lower the phase noise, the fewer bit errors occur during transmission, reception, and signal decoding, resulting in higher overall system performance. The measured phase noise of the RCLN1000C is -140 dB per hertz at a 20 kHz offset from a 1 GHz carrier with a noise floor of approximately -146 dB per hertz. Now let's measure the phase noise of the RCLN1000D222. Simply buying low phase noise oscillators is very difficult or nearly impossible. This is because manufacturers of such oscillators do not sell them freely to everyone, as they are used in scientific, military, and space applications. Purchasing them may require special government-level authorization, or they may not be sold at all. Our RCLN oscillators are available for retail purchase without unnecessary bureaucracy. No pre-orders, no waiting. We ship orders the next day. Measured phase noise of the RCL1000D222 is -150 dB per hertz at a 20 kHz offset from a 1 GHz carrier, with a noise floor of approximately -153 dB per hertz, which is significantly better than the previous oscillator. Thank you for watching.